The Carob and Mars kittens are 1 week old today. Everybody's doing pretty well. One boy has needed a little supplemental feeding. No problems. He just wasn't gaining like I'd like it for him to. There's 2 natural minks. One is a tabby, one is not. And there are 4 sables. One is about 50-50 sable and white. There's a solid sable girl. She's the only girl in the litter. She has no white on her. And there's a sable male that's a tabby and a sable male that's solid. So they will all get darker as they get older, including the natural mink ones, the lighter colored ones. They'll be about the same dark color as the other ones. Carob's a good mommy.